Reorder paragraph is a part of PTE reading section. There are 5 sections in reading. First is multiple choice, choose single answer. Second is multiple choice, choose multiple answer. Third is reorder paragraph. Fourth is fill in the blanks. And fifth is fill in the blanks, reading and writing. However, scoring in reorder paragraph is a most challenging task. This video will give you 10 tips to secure 100% accuracy in reorder paragraph. With these 10 tips, tricks, and strategies, you will maximize your score in PTE reorder paragraphs. Here we go. Tips 1, understand the task. Tips 2, look for the opening sentence. Tips 3, spot keywords and pronouns. Tips 4, check chronological order. Tips 5, check cohesion and coherence or understand cohesion and coherence. Tip 6, believe in practice makes a man perfect. Tip 7, use elimination method. Tips 8, review your answer. Tips 9, work on time management. And tips 10, understand scoring pattern. Let us understand everything in detail. Understand the task. In the reorder paragraph task, you will be presented with several text boxes out of order. Your job is to arrange these into a coherent paragraph. It means you have to put into sequence. 2. Look for the opening sentence. Generally, the first sentence introduces the topic without referencing anything mentioned earlier. It often doesn't start with pronouns or demonstrative pronouns like this, these, it, or they. So, opening sentence will be different from others and it will not carry any sentence that has any prior link with any sentence. 3. Spot keywords and pronouns. After identifying the opening sentence, look for linking words, pronouns, or chronological markers in subsequent sentences to establish in the logical order. So check your connection. Connection can be through pronoun, connection can be through conjunctions, connection can be through prepositional phrase, connection can be through information. 4. Chronological order. Sometimes the paragraph follows a timeline. Look for temporal markers like dates, times, sequence words, and such words. For example, first, then, finally, beginning, at the end, at the middle, or at the end. So there will be such words that will help you to connect sentences. 5. Cohesion and coherence. Sentences should flow logically. Look for sentences that naturally follow each other due to their content, cause-effect relationships, or additional information on the same topic. That means you have to check relation between two words, two sentences, or two phrases. 6. Practice makes a man perfect. Regular practice with a variety of texts will improve your ability to spot these calls quickly and accurately. So start with phrase matching, then clause matching, and after that sentence matching, and then order matching. 7. Use elimination method. If you are unsure, eliminate sequences that definitely don't fit, narrowing down the possible correct orders. 8. Review your answers. If time permits, review your arrangements. Sometimes a second look can help you to spot mistakes or better sequences. Number 9. Time management. Be mindful of the time. Practice pacing yourself to ensure you can attempt all the questions in the allotted time. 10. Understand scoring. Remember, scoring will help you to work on your order because in a scoring system, you will get to know that the score is based on pair and you have to work on pair part. Therefore, scoring will give you ideas. To sum up, by incorporating these strategies into your preparation, you can approach reorder paragraph sections with greater confidence and efficiently. Regular practice with feedback is crucial to understand your common mistakes and improve.